Hi, this is Hema Khatri here, and she's my mother, Kanchan. I brought her to this hospital with a severe artery blockage, and we consulted them. We consulted Dr. Gurudat, and he advised us for a angioplasty, which was successfully done by him and his team. And my mother is well now. All thanks to Dr. Abhishek, Dr. R.C. Mishra, Dr. Gurudat for successful operation, and the hospital and the staff, everybody is very accommodating, very helpful. Be it cleanliness, be it attending the patient, everything was perfect. I'm extremely happy with whatever treatment she was given and with whatever the management is doing. I'm extremely happy, and I would recommend everybody to come and at least try. If they have any problem, they have very good doctors and panel, and everything is good. I'm very, very satisfied.